All right, everybody, Sylvia here, and I am in Spokane, Washington. I am camped at a KOA. I've had my coffee and my breakfast, and I really wanted to do a video today where I could talk directly into the camera. I tried to do this video outside a couple of times, but because it's Sunday morning, everybody's packing up and getting ready to go. And so there's just been a lot of RVs and trucks and motorcycles going by. And there's even a train that goes by periodically fairly close. And it was so distracting. I decided that I needed to do this video inside my trailer. And I just have to show you really quickly what I've rigged up to set the camera on. So I'm at the kitchen dinette. I'm using a cushion, my laptop, a basket, and 4 books of classical piano music as a platform to set the camera on, because everybody says it's more flattering if you're looking up to the camera. And I really did want to do a video today where I am talking directly into the camera. I've had something happen on my YouTube channel recently, and it's really gotten me to think about things, and I've come to a decision, and I just wanted to tell you guys how I'm thinking and what I'm going to be doing in the future. You know, I've had this channel for 2 to 3 years, and I started quite naively with an idea that I have been riding a trike for so many years. I've been touring for 14 years, and I felt like I had a lot of information to offer. And the idea of my channel is that I could give people a place to come for good information about trikes and touring. And for the most part, this has been a very rewarding experience. I think if I had known ahead of time how much work is involved in making videos, I probably would never have started, but I did start fairly naively, and I've just learned little by little as I've been going. And one of the things that has kept me motivated to continue making videos are the comments, the comment section of my videos. People have been very supportive and encouraging, and I find the discussion in the comment section to be really, really fun. I have learned a lot. People are very free to give really good information, and it's information that I have used to make better videos and also to make my traveling easier and safer. And so I really thank everybody for participating in my channel and leaving comments as you do. And something changed this week. It's really unusual for me to get disparaging comments in the comment section. And my last video, I did a ride in Portland. Portland is where I am from, and I've been traveling, and I came back to Portland, and I decided to do a group ride. And so I put out the ride for a specific time and date and invited whoever wanted to come on this ride. And it was a beautiful day. We had 23 trike and recumbent riders. We rode 25 miles all over Portland. We went down the paths, over the bridges. We went into the heart of the city, and we just had a really, really good ride. There was a lot of discussion before the ride about how we could do this ride and be safe. And it was decided that we would wear masks and that we would keep our distance, and hopefully that would be enough. And I can say that one of the things that I really got from the ride was afterward, everybody saw that they could do rides with other people and feel safe. For a lot of people, this was the first group ride they had done since the beginning of the coronavirus. And so I think that the ride actually gave them something back that they were used to doing before the virus, and they saw that they could bring that back into their lives. And it was a gorgeous day, and I just really enjoyed the ride. And then I put up the video, and for the most part, the comments were very, very nice, supportive, encouraging, like they usually are. But I also got for the first time, a lot of disparaging comments, insulting comments, comments that were insulting to me because I was in Portland, to me because I enjoy Portland, to Portland in general. People decided to write up dissertations about whether the coronavirus is real or fake, you know, whether you should wear masks or not wear masks. And I'm just not used to getting comments like that. And so I really wasn't sure how to handle it. And I tried to be diplomatic and, you know, write just, you know, nice comments in reply to people that were really not putting out very nice comments. And I've had a chance to think about it. And, you know, I have decided that I do not want my page, Travels by Trike, to be a place for politics, any kind of politics, talking about the election, any, you know, politics around the coronavirus. I really just want my channel to remain as I originally intended it to be. My channel is where I travel around the world for 14 years just with my trike. Now, of course, I have my truck and my trailer, and I do videos just showing wherever I am. It's really important to me that I show the perspective of riding from the seat of the tricycle, but I really don't want to have anybody talking disparaging about other people on my channel. I don't want to hear what people think about the coronavirus or the politics that's going on in the United States right now. I really just wanted to keep it very, very simple. You know, I do travel videos and then I do some reviews, some tutorials. I'm getting ready to do a video about flags. A woman, Katie in Alaska, North Pole, Alaska, sent me a flag. You've probably seen it on my videos. It's bright green, and I'm going to talk about the flag she sent me, talk about what it is I really like about flags and features that I think are important about flags. I'm going to be doing a video about helmets, and I think that's about as controversial as I want my channel to be. If you're thinking about coming on my channel to leave comments about politics or the coronavirus, please don't. Please go somewhere else. I've decided that I am going to be deleting disparaging comments, and I'm probably going to be banning people. At this moment, I don't even know how to ban anybody. I have never banned anybody, but if people are going to be leaving disrespectful comments, you know what, I'm just gonna ban them. I just don't even really want to deal with it. And so that is the information, my mini rant for the day. You know, I'd love to know what you guys think. Leave a comment in the comment section below. I think the comments that you guys have left over the time that I've had this channel have just been so helpful, encouraging, and supportive, and I've really enjoyed it. I'm not going to change the way I've been doing my videos. I'm just going to continue the way I started this channel. I mean, I still have a lot to learn about videography, and I will continue to learn, but I have decided that I really don't want to get involved in politics or the politics of the coronavirus. So yeah, so let me know what you think of everything I've talked about. I hope everybody remains safe and healthy. And now I'm going for a trike ride. Come on, Myrtle, let's go.